Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in factories that produce the products we use every day? From perfectly sliced bread to flawless car assembly, the machines behind the magic are nothing short of mesmerizing. Welcome to today's video where we dive into the world of the most satisfying factory machines you've ever seen. Stay tuned till the end because machine number 10 will absolutely blow your mind. Factories are marvels of engineering designed to make processes faster, more efficient, and consistent. But there's something undeniably satisfying about watching these machines in action, isn't there? Today we'll showcase the most jaw-dropping machines from industries like food production, automotive manufacturing, and even packaging. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the food production industry. Have you ever looked at your sliced bread and wondered, how do they get each piece so perfectly uniform? It's all thanks to high-speed bread slicing machines. These machines use ultra-sharp blades to slice hundreds of loaves in just minutes. It's oddly satisfying to see the precision as each loaf is sliced flawlessly. And what about candy? Watch as these machines churn out thousands of identical candies, each coated and wrapped perfectly. It's like watching a symphony of sugar and engineering. No son solo nakites. Next up is the automotive industry, where machines and robotics take center stage. These robots are programmed to assemble car frames, weld parts, and even paint vehicles with pinpoint accuracy. Check out this welding robot. It operates with millimeter-level precision, ensuring every weld is strong and consistent. Watching it work is like seeing art in motion. And then there's the painting process. Using advanced spray technology, these machines coat cars in layers of paint without missing a single spot. It's almost hypnotic. Packaging is another area where machines shine. Take a look at these conveyor systems that package products at lightning speed. Everything from cookies to electronics is wrapped, sealed, and labeled with incredible efficiency. One of the most satisfying machines is the shrink wrap machine. It wraps products tightly in plastic and the heat seals it perfectly. Watching the plastic shrink around the item is pure magic. The textile industry has its own set of satisfying machines. Here's a fabric cutting machine that slices through layers of material with precision. It's almost like watching a knife glide through butter. Knitting machines are another marvel. They weave intricate patterns and fabrics with speed and accuracy, turning threads into beautiful designs right before your eyes. Moving to the construction industry, let's talk about heavy machinery. Ever seen a road paving machine in action? It lays down asphalt perfectly, smoothing it out as it moves forward. Watching this process is oddly relaxing. And here's a concrete mixer. Seeing the drum spin, mixing the cement to the right consistency is another oddly satisfying sight. In custom manufacturing, 3D printing is leading the way. These machines build objects layer by layer, creating intricate designs with absolute precision. Watching a 3D printer work feels like seeing the future unfold. And then there's laser cutting. This machine uses high-powered lasers to cut through metal, wood, or plastic. And the precision and speed are nothing short of mesmerizing. And now, as promised, the most satisfying machine on our list. Coin stamping machines. These machines imprint designs onto blank coins with extreme force and precision. Watching the final product roll out is pure perfection. Look at the detail on each coin. Every stamp is identical, and the sound of the machine in action is so gratifying. That wraps up our journey into the world of the most satisfying factory machines. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.